Yo, what is up guys? Zachary Kyriazis here, back with another video. Now today guys, I actually thought of this idea in the shower because I just got a tornado warning. Shut up, Gavin. I just got tornado warning, Amber Alert right there. So I just thought I would do a video since we can't go outside, I'm bored, whatever. Types of rainy day people, stereotypes. I don't know if I'm gonna name it that, but you've clicked on the video for the stereotypes video. So hope you guys subscribe, like, comment, hit the notifications button. I'm thinking of uploading way more, so stick. Oh yeah, make sure you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, and go to my website just to check it out. And yeah, plug. And yeah, no further ado, let's get into the stereotypes video. Guys, here's how bad the rainstorm is. It's pretty bad. It's not raining as hard as a little bit, but tornado might come, so let's get further into the video. The reader. Oh my god, I love rainy days so much. Come on, rain, 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 don't go away. Don't come back another day. All the children want to read anime. Rain, rain, don't go away. Oh, dang it. Oh, let me just read some books. The first Harry Potter. The last page of the series. Woo! That has to be a world record. Woo! Let's go to Guinness. Woo! The fastest person to read that many books in a rainy day. The Thunderphobic. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna call the cops. Oh my god, guys, hello. I'm trying to do a vlog on Facebook. Oh my god, all these Facebook people. You all getting this scared of the rain. Oh my god. The Snacker. Ready? Light. The Gamer. Ugh, I'm so bored. What can I do on this stupid computer? Oh yeah, I can play Fortnite. Let's do it. I'm gonna drop it at retail. Nice. I don't know where to go. No. God! Zach, don't make me spank you! You know what? Ow! The Sleeper. Oh my god, the first episode of Stranger Things is so good. Finally, the 8th episode. Come on, let's do it. Ugh. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of rainy day people stereotypes. If you are new, please subscribe, like, comment, hit the notifications button. Please do that if you enjoyed this content. I had lots of fun making this video. So please leave suggestions in the comments of what you'd like to see next. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time.